Hi, I'm Gary Sizemore, and this is the Kennedy Countdown. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket carrying the company's Dragon spacecraft roared off the pad from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39A at 3:14 a.m. Sunday, August 29th. The launch marks SpaceX's 23rd commercial resupply services mission to the International Space Station for NASA. At 10:30 a.m. Monday, August 30th, the Dragon spacecraft docked with the station's Harmony module. With over 4,800 pounds of pressurized cargo, Dragon delivered critical materials to support dozens of science and research investigations. These include an experiment to test an implantable, remote-controlled drug delivery system, an investigation to determine if metabolites from wine grape skins and seeds can help prevent and treat bone loss, and Girl Scout studies investigating plant growth, ant colonization, and the brine shrimp life cycle in microgravity. Dragon also brought the crew fresh food, including lemons, cherry tomatoes, avocados, cheese, and even ice cream to help celebrate crew member Megan MacArthur's 50th birthday. Dragon will spend about a month on station before returning to Earth with about 4,200 pounds of research and return cargo. To keep up with Kennedy, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.